This video is the first video for me that I filmed after I come back from the UK. Of course, I come back to my home country, which is Thailand. And yes, today my brother, my mom and I will go to Peninsula Hotel because my brother got a really good deal for the afternoon tea. And to be honest, I used to have afternoon tea at Thwan Inn at Central World. If you used to travel in Bangkok, you will know Central World is a big shopping mall in central Bangkok. So I think it's going to be a good idea to film a video and compare it, because I would love to go back to Thwan Inn as well. So yes, I know that I talk too much, and yes, let's jump right to the video. So for the menu, we can just only scan this QR code and it will come on the phone, or we just do like old school, something like on the menu, which is lovely. For the first serve, we got a strawberry sherbet, and this one is ginger blueberry, and that is lovely ice cream. It's all about my afternoon tea at the Peninsula Hotel Bangkok. To be honest, I'm impressed with the plant-based afternoon tea. So in this course, they include two different not a meal, but two different type of food, which is, of course, is obviously is cake. So they have like a normal one where they have a milk and butter on it, and the other, which is a plant-based, which I love. Plant-based, everything's in that. It's so delicious. So yes, if you would like to have an afternoon tea and you're looking for a plant-based, why is that so difficult? Plant-based as well, I recommend this place. So of course, next time I will go back to Thwan Inn at Central World, and again I'm going to film everything. Let's see, maybe they have a new menu, I hope. So yes, of course I'm going to film that and share it with you guys. So if you make it this far, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give me like and share and subscribe my channel. That will support my channel a lot. And yes, I love you and see you next video. Bye.